Hello friends, good evening and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be reviewing and give you a sound demo of Bose Soundlink Micro, as you can see. And this is a portable outdoors Bluetooth speaker manufactured by Bose, and it has some good specifications and features that will enable you to take your music with you during those outdoor journeys. Obviously you can use it as indoor portable music player as well. So we're gonna start off with the unboxing and then quickly give you an overview of the features and finally the sound demo. So this is the box in which it comes with. So this is the box. I purchased it for 8,000 some rupees last year. Now it has gone expensive, and as you can see on the box, it is mentioned 899. I don't know whether it's focusing or not. It's mentioned 8990 on this box. So now it is around 10,000 some rupees because apparently it has gone expensive. And on the back of the box, just basic stuff is mentioned. For example, crisp, balanced sound, durable silicon trap, waterproof and rugged, pair 2 for party mode, speakerphone up to 6 hours per charge. And these same instructions are mentioned in different languages. That's all in the box cover outside. As soon as you open the box, this is how it gets opened, as you can see. And this is the box, and as you open it, the Bose Soundlink Micro, which is right here, was placed like this, and then you took it out. This is the foam cover which comes in, and if you open the box again, it's just a plastic case, nothing more than that. And over here you will have your booklets, instruction manual. So if you just open it, let me just show you. So as you can see, it is instruction manual basically of Bose Soundlink Micro and some safety instructions, so nothing to speak about. Let's keep this aside for a minute. So this was all in the box part of things, and obviously you get your mic USB A to micro USB cable, which is over here. I've taken it out right now, but it comes with that as well. So it does not support USB-C, so that's the point to make a note of. Let's come to the speaker. So this is the speaker. As you can see, it's pretty small, and as you can see, this is my hand, and it is about this big. It's quite hefty. On the front, it's covered all around with silicon rubber. On the front you'll have speaker vents, Bose branding. In the middle, where my thumb is, this is a multi-function pairing button. On the left hand side you have a volume down, on the right hand side you have volume up, and there are microphones for taking voice call. On the top you can see it is micro USB charging. Then you have Bluetooth power off and on, and you have Bluetooth button right over here. And then you have this silicon strap, which you can take it out like this, and you have the clip for the silicon strap over here, so you can mount it on your bicycle, or you can take it along with you outside in your bag. So, and it is very durable, so it doesn't, this lock which you can see, so this lock doesn't come out easily, so it's very sturdy. Now coming to the specifications over here, this speaker utilizes one driver and 2 passive radiators. So it has one driver over here, full range driver, which is custom made by Bose. Then you have one passive radiator over here, and then another one on the back side. So if on where you have this, where you can see this surface, there's one passive radiator over here. So one thing also you will observe, that when you place this speaker on a surface that is not hollow, like right now on its table, below the table there is empty space, so it's hollow. If you place the speaker on a surface that is not hollow, it will add more punch. It increases more bass. But if you place it on a surface that is hollow from within, then it sounds less, it will give you that less bass, less punch. Another thing to note down is, which I have noted, when you're playing the music on this device, then when it gets loud, when in terms of vocals, but as soon as the low end kicks in a song, the lower pitch or the low frequency then kicks in, then it volume automatically comes down a little bit. And you can observe it in few of the songs when I'm gonna play, because, and apparently this I have read and saw in some other YouTube videos also, that it is purposely done by Bose for the safety of the drivers and to make the music sound equally good across all frequency spectrum. So you will observe this change as well, that as soon as in a particular song you have vocals, so it will be very loud, very good, but as soon as the bass kicks in or the lower frequency kicks in, then it volume automatically comes down a bit. So that is the DSP, which which we call it as digital signal processing, which Bose has done on the speaker. Now let's come quickly to the sound test, and I have already linked this to one of my other players which I use, and I'm gonna, for the purpose of copyright reasons, I'm gonna use it with the non-copyright music. And let me just give you a demo of the sound, and just give me 1 second. And we're gonna play an NCS song only, and you can see. So right now this is, let me play on plus. Let me play that song again for you. So for reference, I have connected this to my dedicated DAP, which is a FIO M1 Plus limited edition, and this apparently right now it's full volume, and you have battery indicators. As you can see right now it is connected, and when you click on plus sign, that's a maximum volume. And I'm gonna start the song again for your reference so you can have a clear idea.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one.
As you can see, the sound itself is very dynamic, it's rich, it's full. The bass is there, but you can't expect too much of a bass because it's a small size portable speaker. It's not a dedicated music system, but with respect to its size, it does play out good loud music. And plus it's waterproof, up to 6 hours of battery life. You can connect 2 devices with this speaker. Now let's go and play another song, and you can have a very good idea about this. So
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only and I can seize my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So yeah guys, so this is the sound demo of the Bose Soundlink Micro, and as you can see, the sound is pretty good for its size, and plus it's portable, 6 hours battery life, waterproof, it's not water resistant, and you can have you can pair it to two devices simultaneously as once, take calls as well. So this was the review of Bose Soundlink Micro along with sound demo, right from unboxing to the actual product. Hope you liked it, and if you want to see any more reviews and demos like this, kindly do like, share and subscribe and comment so that we can support this channel and come up with more interesting and relevant videos. Thank you for watching. Till then, until next time.